Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this beginner's guide video I'm going to show you how you can use the Snapchat app like a pro. So make sure to watch this video till the end. We will cover some of the basics and main features of the Snapchat app. For those of you who don't know what Snapchat app is, it's a social media platform where users can share fleeting pictures and videos. Snapchat has grown to become one of the top social media platforms in the world. So make sure to watch this video till the end to learn how to use Snapchat as a beginner. So the first thing you should definitely do is make sure you have the Snapchat app on your phone. If you do not have it already, simply go to the App Store and in the search box type in Snapchat. Once you type in Snapchat, click on the Snapchat app, and here you will see a cloud-like icon option to download if you haven't downloaded it already, and for iOS users you will see the green install button. But since I already have it downloaded, I'm simply going to click on open and open the app once you download the app. Once you click on open, the application is going to open up, and here you can see many options such as log into your account, sign up, or use some other account. You can log into your account by entering a username or password if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account, you can, on the bottom right, you can simply click on sign up, and here it will ask you for permissions. Simply click on OK to allow all the permissions. Once you allow all permissions that Snapchat app requires, simply enter your first name, last name, and click on sign up, accept, read all the terms and conditions, follow the instructions to sign up and create an account. If you're still confused on how to create an account, click the I button on the top right of the screen of the video where we have shown you how to create an account in Snapchat and how to log in and so on. So let's go back and let us assume that we already do have an account. So click on the blue button which says login. So here you can see many options, such as this is how the interface of Snapchat looks like. Here you can customize many things. On the top left hand side you can see a cartoon like avatar. Well, yours is pretty much going to be empty because since your account is new and you just signed up, you will not know how to create the Bitmoji character. So simply click on the left profile icon. You can even customize this Bitmoji character. So to change the outfit of the Bitmoji character, click on it and you can see the option change selfie, change outfit, or share outfit. To change the outfit, simply click on change outfit and you can see many options such as shirts, pants, and many other things which you want to add to your profile. So this is how other friends are going to see you on your profile. Now, Snapchat is not a Snapchat without sending Snapchat to friends, and in order to send Snap to your friends, you first need to add them. So to add some of the friends to your Snapchat list, on the right hand side you can see the plus button. Simply click on it and here you can see many friends. This is a recommendation by the Snapchat app itself, but if you already want to add someone who is on Snapchat, simply click on the search button which says find friend. Here you can search your friends with their ID, and once you search them you can click them. Let's say I want to add someone, you can simply click on the add button on the right hand side. So this is how you can add friends to your Snapchat list, and they can also add you back in return. Once you've added friends, the next step is to obviously send a snap. In order to create a snap, simply click on the camera icon in the middle bottom. Now, in order to take a picture, you can simply click it once. This is how you can take a picture, and you can also allow your location. Now, if you don't want to use this picture, on the left hand side you can see the cross button. In order to record a video, simply hold it, and the yellow icon indicates you that it is actually recording a video. You can customize this video using some of the text example, and you can see many other options such as adding music to your videos. Once you're happy with your snap, simply click on the send to button on the yellow button or at the bottom right, and you can add this to your story, in your snap story, or you can also send it to some of your friends on Snapchat. Once you're happy with your friends list, on the bottom you can see the send button, send icon again. Click on it to send the snaps to your friend. Now the next function which I want to show you is to simply first of all flip to the front camera. You can actually use lenses and filters. So to use a lens or filter which you want to use, on the right hand side you can see the emoji icon. Simply click on the emoji icon to use some of those Snapchat filters and some of the lenses are a really cool Snapchat feature. So if you want to use this lens feature, you can simply hold the lens and record it, and this is how cool it is. Once you're happy, again you can repeat the same process to send the snap to your friends. Simply click on the send to button and send some of the snaps to your friends. The next thing I want to show you is to how to enable maps. So on the bottom left hand side you can see the option, the map icon. Simply click on it. Here you need to enable your location first on your settings, and you need to give permissions of your location to the Snapchat app. Here you can locate your friends, and if they've enabled it, and it's a really cool feature, your friends can know where you are currently. So there are also many things which you can customize in this map. On the top right hand side you can see the settings, and you can enable ghost mode. So what is ghost mode? Ghost mode is when you enable ghost mode, your friends will not be able to see your location. For example, you can choose a time for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn it off. If you enable ghost mode, your friends won't be able to locate you. You can also choose who can locate you. Some of your friends accept some of the specific friends, and only some of the friends which you select. And in your Bitmoji character you can also change your outfit while showing your location. So Snap Map is also one of the really cool features of Snapchat. If you want to let your friends know where you are, simply go ahead and use it. Now let us go to the settings. So on the bottom right hand side you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on it, and here you can customize many things. Click on your profile on the upper left hand side. Once you go here, on the top right hand side you can click your settings. Once you go to settings, you can customize many things of your accounts. For example, if you want to change your name from this, you can go back and you can also edit your username. And in this way you can edit your birthday, your mobile number, your email, and even your Bitmoji character. And if you want to edit your Bitmoji character face as well, you can choose the middle option which says edit my Bitmoji character over here, and it will edit with some of the hairstyles, with the spectacles, and many other filters which you can use. So we'll go back again. Here you can also change your password. You can turn on two-factor authentication. You can enable notifications, and another really cool feature are actually the memories. So memories is the personal collection of the snaps and stories you saved, backed up by Snapchat. This process is actually automatic. So once you take snaps, and even if you don't upload them, you save them to your phone, it is automatically going to update in the memories. Only you can see your memories and nobody else. So it's a really cool feature in case you want to go back to the time. So some of the snaps you've sent, you can see them in your memories. So let us go back again. Here you can see the option spectacles. You can enable its spectacles filter or options. You can also enable lenses. So if your Snapchat app is sometimes not loading properly, you can see the option clear cache. You can simply clear caches and your Snapchat will restart, and your memories backup also won't be deleted because your memory is always going to stay permanently in your Snapchat app. And there are many other things which you can do, which we'll explain in the later section of this video, such as deleting your account, blocks, and many other things. So let us go back. Now you can see the option add to my story. So in order to add a Snapchat story, simply click on the option add to my story. Here you can simply click to take a picture, or if you're not happy with the picture, again you can hold to record it. And in order to zoom in and out, you can simply scroll your fingers up and then again scroll it down. Actually 10 seconds. So if you hold it for longer than that, it is going to divide into multiple parts, so you need to be aware of that as well. Now once you're happy with your story, you can add some of the text like we described before. You can use filters, you can use effects, you can use lenses, you can zoom in and out, or you can also use music, or you can add links to your story. So once you're happy with your story, on the bottom right hand side click on my story, and on right side click on the arrow icon. So once this happens, you can see your story has been successfully uploaded. Now if you click on your story, and you can also see who has viewed your story. For example, right now I just uploaded it, so no one has actually seen it. On the bottom left hand side you can see the option, and it will show you a list of friends, list of your contacts who have actually viewed your story. So once you do that, if you are not happy with your story and once you regret it, you can also delete this story by long pressing on it. And you can see the option delete snap, save snap, remix snap, or share snap. If you want to delete snap, you can click on the red button which says delete snap, and you can also prompt for it will also prompt for a confirmation, so click on delete button again. So your story has been successfully deleted. So one of the latest features which Snapchat has recently added is the spotlight feature. So these are some of the really cool features, and as you can see the option create a public profile. Once you click on the create public profile, you can see any snaps you send to Snap Map will now show your name. Anyone who views these snaps or your lenses will be able to subscribe to your account, and many other things. You can build your public profile by simply clicking on get started, and you can see the option by creating a public profile. You will show your name or any snaps you have ever posted to Spotlight or Snap Map. Any lenses you've made and marked as searchable will also appear on your public profile. So you can simply click on create and continue the process and follow its instructions accordingly to create a public profile. So one of the other main features of Snapchat is also the Cameo selfie. To create a Cameo selfie, you can simply click on the plus button and the text which says create Cameo selfie. Once you click on create Cameo selfie, you can choose to center your face, and once you have got a good smile on your face, once you're happy with the face, you can click on the blue button which says create my Cameo. So as you can see, it is trying to say find good lighting and try not to smile. So I'm going to simply stand still like this. So once you are happy with your Cameo position, click on the option which says create my Cameo. It will also ask you to select your gender. So simply click on male if you are a male, click on female if you are a female. So I'm going to click on male, or you can also skip this step. As you can see the option that it is creating your Cameo selfie. It is going to take a while. So for those of you who don't know what Cameo selfie is, Cameo selfie is one of Snapchat's main feature, which allows you to insert your face into a looping video and then send those videos to your friends. For example, let me show you. You can see Cameos can feature friends, so you can simply skip this step. Now when you want to send something to your friends, you can see in your GIF. For example, let me open one of my friend list and simply click, and here you can see the sticker icon. And if you want to send your Cameo selfie, on the bottom left hand side you can see your face icon which you just added. Simply tap on it and you can see many things, such as cool things as sending a Cameo selfie to your friend. So this is also one of the really cool functions of Snapchat, one of the features which is actually mainly used. It's really cool, and it puts you into a looping video and so that your friends can see it. So this is how you can create your Snapchat Cameo feature. It is super impressive and it's totally bizarre, it's strange. So this is how you can also create a Cameo selfie on a Snapchat. Let us get to the end section of this video, which is to actually edit a profile, which we said we would discuss it later. So on the left hand side you can see the option, your profile. Click on the settings icon again. Now in order to change your password, simply click on the password section and you can enter your current password first, and then you can click on next, and Snapchat will ask you to enter your new password. If you don't know how to change your password on your Snapchat, then on the right hand side again click on the I button where you can click on it and go to our other video where we show you how to change your Snapchat password. Now in order to turn on two-factor authentication, if you want to track suspicious activity on our account, you can simply go to your two-factor authentication. So what happens is when logging in, you will need to provide an extra login code after your password. Your login code will be sent via SMS message. Rates may apply or can be generated in an app. Once you enter your login code, Snapchat will know it is really used. So if you want to enable two-factor authentication, click on the green button which says continue and follow the steps accordingly. So before we get on to the end of this video, let us also discuss some of the hidden features and tips and tricks on Snapchat. One really cool feature of Snapchat is that you can actually scan your images. For example, let me show you. Let me assume that I want to search what this chair is about. So simply point the camera to your chair and long press it until the option scanning comes up. You can see the option, the Snapchat is scanning. It will show you related search results on the Google. Another feature is that you can also identify your dog breed. You can discover a song. If you hold a camera near your music, you can identify a plant. You can identify a car as well and find product health facts. For example, let me show you how I can identify my dog. So open any dog image you have and click on identify your dog breeds. Hold your camera straight to the dog and it will prepare to scan. Once the scanning is complete, it will show you the results that this is actually a Presence dog breed. So this is also one of the really cool features of the Snapchat app, and you can use it to search for anything. You can use it to know the name of the music you're listening to if you don't know it. The really cool feature which I want to show you is that you can actually add and edit and resize the stickers which you want to use in Snapchat. For example, let me click a picture right here. Allow the permission and simply click on the sticker icon and use any sticker. Here you can pinch to zoom out and zoom in, and then you can also change the position. You can adjust the size. You can also go ahead and add another sticker if you want to. You can add your Cameo GIF as well, which we discussed in the earlier part of this video. So these are some of the really cool tricks of Snapchat app if you want to use. A cool feature is also, which we discussed earlier, when you go to maps and your friends can actually currently see you where you are. So if you don't want your friends to see where you are, on the top right hand side click on the settings icon and you can simply see the option ghost mode. When enabled, your friends can't see your location, and along with this you also get to set the time of the ghost mode of for how long you don't want your friends to locate you. You can set it for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you actually turn it off. This is also one of the cool tricks of Snapchat where you can customize when your friends can see your location. Another feature which I want to show you is actually saving your stories if you want to view them later on. For example, let me add some of the videos to my story. Once you do this and once you record or snap, you can see the option save to camera roll, and once you click on add to story and you record a video, you can click on the download button on the left hand side which says save this snap to memories or your memories and camera roll. If you save to memories, the snap will only be saved in your memories on your Snapchat account, but if you also save to camera roll, it will be saved on a device. So since we want to save this on our device, we are simply going to click on the camera roll option and click on allow access to all photos and give it the permission it requires. Now go and check into your photos. Now you can see the snap we just took recently. It has been successfully saved to your device. So this is also one of the really cool and hidden features of Snapchat. We hope this video really helped you. We have covered some of the basics such as how to create Bitmoji character, how to record instant snaps, how to view snaps, how to use the chat screen, how to create Snapchat stories. We have also described you the snaps tricks. We have described Snapchat memories, how to use Snapchat filters, how to use the Snapchat map, and how to use the spotlight screen. So hope this video has cleared your doubts, and if you have any more questions, comment down in the comment section below. We will try to get back to you as soon as possible. As always, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully see you in our next video soon enough.